Welcome back to Car Review, where we bring you the most detailed insights into the latest automotive masterpieces. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic performance cars in the world, the 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo S. Known for its heritage, timeless design, and relentless performance, the 2026 model elevates the driving experience to an entirely new level. Whether you're a Porsche purist or simply love fast, well-crafted machines, the 2026 Turbo S deserves your full attention. Let's get into every detail that makes this car a true marvel in the world of sports cars. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo S holds true to its classic 911 silhouette, but it's now more refined, aggressive, and aerodynamic than ever before. The front fascia receives a mild yet purposeful redesign, featuring larger active cooling intakes and integrated LED matrix headlights that look razor sharp. The front splitter is slightly extended to improve airflow and downforce at high speeds. Move along the side, and you'll see wider fenders, accommodating the new 21-inch forged wheels in the rear and 20-inch wheels up front. Wrapped in high-performance Pirelli P0 tires, the new lightweight aluminum and carbon fiber panels not only reduce weight but also help balance the car's already near-perfect chassis dynamics. At the back, the new adaptive rear wing blends beautifully into the bodywork when retracted and pops out dynamically depending on speed and drive mode. The quad exhaust setup emits a deep, unmistakable growl, and the rear diffuser has been revised for better airflow management. The overall design screams performance but remains elegant and unmistakably Porsche. New color options, including Arctic Silver, Racing Yellow, and the exclusive Shark Blue, let you personalize your 911 Turbo S to match your personality. Stepping inside, the interior of the 2026 911 Turbo S is nothing short of a cockpit designed for both comfort and speed. Porsche has taken its premium craftsmanship to the next level. As you slide into the 18-way adjustable leather sports seats, you're immediately greeted by a blend of tradition and modern technology. The driver-focused layout remains, with a familiar 5-gauge instrument cluster, now fully digital with customizable themes. However, Porsche has retained the iconic analog tachometer right in the center, a nod to its racing heritage. The center console is dominated by a 12.3-inch Porsche Communication Management touchscreen system. It offers crisp graphics, haptic feedback, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, real-time navigation, and voice control. Below the screen are sleek aluminum toggle switches that feel tactile and premium. The newly designed flat-bottom steering wheel is multifunctional and now features programmable drive mode selectors. Ambient lighting, real leather surfaces, Alcantara accents, and brushed aluminum trims combine to create a truly luxurious yet purposeful ambiance. For audiophiles, the optional Burmester high-end surround sound system brings concert quality audio to the cabin, even with the thunderous engine in the background. Rear seats remain more symbolic than functional, but they're nicely finished and can be used for small luggage or short trips. The front trunk or frunk offers a bit of practical space, enough for a weekend getaway bag, reinforcing that the 911 Turbo S, while being a supercar, doesn't sacrifice everyday usability. Now, let's talk performance, arguably the most exciting part of the 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo S. Under the rear deck lid lies a 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged flat-six engine, now pushing out a mind-boggling 660 horsepower and 590 pounds-ft of torque. That's a bump from the previous model. Thanks to revised turbo geometry, enhanced cooling, and a lightweight titanium exhaust system, mated to an 8-speed PDK, dual-clutch transmission, and Porsche's all-wheel drive system. This beast rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.4 seconds. That makes it one of the fastest accelerating production cars in the world, rivaling even hypercars. Top speed is rated at 211 miles per hour. And thanks to active aerodynamics and rear axle steering, the car remains planted and agile at all speeds. Porsche's active suspension management, PASM, dynamic chassis control, and torque vectoring systems work in harmony to make the 911 Turbo S Not just fast in a straight line, but incredibly nimble in the corners. Whether you're tearing up a racetrack or carving through winding mountain roads, the level of grip, balance, and driver confidence is unparalleled. What's even more impressive is how composed it feels under normal driving conditions. In comfort mode, the adaptive suspension softens up, the exhaust note quiets down, and the ride becomes surprisingly smooth and compliant, making this a genuine daily driver. But switch to Sport or Sport Plus and you unleash the beast within. The braking system features massive carbon ceramic rotors as standard, with 10 piston.